Now we will talk about the wave nature of sound. Sound is propagated in a medium as a wave. Wave propagation is the propagation of energy from one particle to another in the form of vibrations. Okay, so when energy is propagating in a medium from one medium particle to another in the form of vibrations, it is called wave propagation. Okay, in wave propagation only energy is transferred from one particle to another, but the medium particles remain at their own position. Okay, so this is the wave propagation. Now I'm going to show you an activity that will help you to understand the wave nature of sound. Okay, so just have a look.
Fill half of a trough with water and place some crumbled paper balls in it. Then make ripples on the surface of water using fingers. The disturbance travels on the surface of water in concentric circles of ever increasing radius till they strike the boundary of the trough. Now the paper balls move up and down as the wave passes, but the balls do not travel along with the wave. Here the water particles move up and down about their mean position without displacement in the direction of propagation of wave. When still water is disturbed, the particles of water begin to vibrate about their mean position at the point of disturbance. These particles collide with the neighboring particles and impart some of their energy to their neighboring particles. As a result of this, the neighboring particles start vibrating about their mean position. Now these particles transfer their energy to the next particle, which in turn begins to vibrate. This process continues and the energy is transferred from one particle to other particle of the medium. Such motion is wave motion. Wave motion is the propagation of disturbances produced on one part of a medium by the vibration of its particles to all its other parts. Waves transfer energy from one position to another position of the medium and not the matter.
So from the activity we can understand the propagation of sound as a wave. Okay, now consider these points are the medium particles, okay, in which the sound is propagating. Okay, I am taking only 4 particles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now consider the sound energy reaches the first particle. Okay, then the first particle starts vibrating. Okay, the first particle starts vibrating up and down. Okay, and remaining particles stay at rest. Okay, now after some time the next particle receives this energy and starts vibrating, and the first particle comes to rest. Okay, so after some time the sound energy shifted to the second particle, and the second particle starts vibrating, and the first particle comes to rest, and then the next particle receive the sound energy and the previous particle come to rest, and this process go on, and this way the sound energy propagate through the medium. Okay, and one thing is to be noted, the medium particles remain at their own position. Only energy transferred from one particle to another, okay, but the particle remain at their own position. Okay, so this is the propagation of sound through the medium. So we can write, during propagation of sound in a medium, the sound energy is transferred from one medium particle to another in the form of vibrations, but the medium particles remain at their own positions. Okay, so when sound energy is propagated or transferred through a medium, then the medium particles only vibrate at their own position, but don't leave their position. Okay,